This elaborate model is part of a simulator, but even though there are runways, planes, and helicopters, it's not a flight simulator. It's a fire crash rescue vehicle simulator that trains people how to operate foam spraying trucks like this one. The trainees sit in a replica of the cab complete with all the buttons and gauges. The truck moves and bounces in response to the driver's actions. The simulator has 11-foot-high screens that curve around the truck, and scenes from the model are projected onto the screens. The end of this mechanical arm is the truck. The nozzle sprays carbon dioxide, and 5 tiny lenses shoot the views seen on the screen. So when the driver pushes the accelerator and moves the wheel, the mechanical arm moves accordingly. When the driver makes the arm pull up to a burning B-52 and start spraying foam, here's what he sees. This is the first simulator like this in the world.
I've never been in that position of an actual air crash, but I feel now that I can handle myself better because of what I've seen and experienced here.
When more simulators are built and used Air Force-wide, 14,000 firefighters will be trained on them, saving tax dollars.
We anticipate once it's in full use about a $3 million savings a year, or roughly 50% reduction in training and vehicle operating costs for fire departments.
Robert Kittle, WMBB News.